Alright, here we are using SDR Sharp. Baseline noise is about minus 60 dB. I'm going to go turn the breaker off for the entire house and see if this drops. And at the same time, I'm going to record it on the laptop. There we go. Alright, be right back. Alright, you can hear the line noise on this little portable AM radio. I'm about to flip the main breaker off here at the house, see if it changes. Holy crap, yeah it did. Okay, that was an extra bonus. Okay, let's try something, see if I can get this. Okay, it's on again. You can hear the line noise. Here goes the breaker. Big difference. Okay, now I'm going to walk out to the pole and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, here we are at the other breaker box on the power pole. You can see the feeds right there. I don't get the noise now. If you watch this, that's the video camera, but no line noise. That's interesting. So that would imply it's the house. All right, I'm gonna go check the power pole out there, the one that got hit by lightning, and see if it's noisy out there like it was before. All right, here's the power pole that caught on fire. If you look at that forwardmost horizontal arm, you'll see a big hole blown in it right above the transformer. That's where the lightning struck. Okay, so let's see what we can find here. Now again, the camera, hear that? That's the camera. I'll hold it far away, antenna's down. Sounds a lot like the line noise up at the house. Something's changing here. Anyway, that's noise too, and it's coming off the ground. This ground, you can tell there's another set of staples here where the original copper ground used to be, and this galvanized piece was added in at some point. I can't tell you if that was because of the fire or after or before, I don't know. I can't tell you for sure, but at least it's hooked up for right now. Okay, well, there's noise out here. Now last night I drove my 93 Dodge through here, and it's got the factory AM/FM radio, and when I stopped right here, I had it at 530 on the AM dial, and it got really loud. The static was pretty loud, and then I parked it. You can see the meter and stuff over there. I moved it way back under the wire, and it got extremely loud. The line noise got extremely loud. I listened to that all the way from downtown. It's a couple miles away, and I didn't pick up anything until I got here. So next step is to find out, is it coming from up the road or down the road? See that pole there on the right with the transformer on it? I think it's that pole has a broken ground, and then a couple poles down at the intersection down there, there's a broken ground. And not the next pole you can see, but one pole after that, there's a broken ground, and another pole or two after that, there's another broken ground. So there's 4 of them in one block. That's not good. That's not good. So anyway, I'll go take a look at the video that's recording on the laptop right now, and see how this comes out, see if there's any difference. The noise is still here, and I can't tell you for sure where it's coming from, but I have video of this whole thing burning like a giant candle. And I think they had to add well, I know they did. They had to add a horizontal, one of those horizontal pieces. You can see one's got a big chunk out of it, and they had to add a new one across it. And the reason I know that's recent is because you see those diagonal metal bars going to the cross braces? One of them was laying on the ground here all charred. So that's where the lightning hit, was right there. And so they had to fix all this. And I have video of the crew being here. I have the video of this pole being on fire. Yeah, what a pain. In fact, maybe I posted it a long time ago. All right, I'm running my mouth. Let's see what else I can find out. See you, bye.